case your mom has never showed you how to make banana bread, I'm going to show you today how to make banana bread. It's so easy. It's a staple in our household because who hasn't got bananas that look like this? So first off, you need 3 ripe bananas, which we're going to mash up. Just use a fork. Mash, mash, mash. In fact, I hate the smell of bananas. I cannot eat a banana, but I love myself some banana bread. Okay, so this is your smashed up bananas. Put them to the side. Grab yourself a bowl. Okay, then in a bowl, you want about 100 grams of butter. And if you've been around here for a while, my scale is still broken, so we're just gonna eyeball it. About 100. I feel like I've gotten pretty accurate over the years on how to measure. About 100 grams to 150 grams of sugar, depending on how sweet you like it. This is about, well, it says 80 ml on the thingy here, so I'll say 80 grams. We're going to mix this up. You can use a stand mixer or a thermo. I have neither at the moment. My stand mixer is being used for slime, and my Thermomix has a broken bowl, so let's get that work out of, shall we? That looks pretty nice and creamy. We're going to put 2 eggs in there. Wash your hands after eggs. About 80 grams of yogurt. You could use milk, you could use any other liquid, honestly it doesn't matter. I like Greek yogurt. About 250 grams of yogurt, which is of flour, which is a cup. Then I like a little bit of cinnamon in it, just a pinch. There you go. Vanilla. And tea. And most important is your bicarb soda. Without it, your cake is not gonna be fluffy. So if you're making banana bread and you want a fluffy cake, you need your bicarb. Now we want about a tablespoon of that. There you go. And then your mashed up bananas. Put that all in. Mix it all up. Okay, that is all combined now. Now we're going to be naughty because my kids have asked to put chocolate chips in it today. So let's go grab some. Okay, obviously there's only one way to melt chocolate chips, and that is by half. Stick to me. We're going to just incorporate that and then put it in our loaf tin and it goes in the oven. That is how easy banana bread is made. Okay, put it in your prepared loaf. Now you can really add anything. You could do nuts if you like nuts. You could add berries if you like berries. There's really no limit but your imagination when it comes to inclusions in the banana bread. I think just about try them all. Okay, that is my banana bread. And it's gonna go into the oven. I'm going to be naughty and put a few more chocolate chips on top. There you go. Now you want to bake this at 160, 165 for about an hour. Just check it in between because it is a long baking time that you are burning the top. And I'll see you back in an hour. You've got your ready-made banana cake. So if you put in the skewer and it comes out clean, it's ready. Let's go and cut a piece. Oh, it's very nice and warm actually. And there you got it, a beautiful chocolate banana bread. Yummy.